if you're experiencing frame stuttering in FIFA 24, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within FIFA 24. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to performance issues while playing FIFA 24. Step 4. Check for system overheating. Ensure your gaming system is not overheating. Clean any dust from fans and vents, and consider using a cooling pad if you're on a laptop. Overheating can throttle performance and cause stuttering. Step 5. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam, verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can resolve performance issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate frame stuttering in FIFA 24. Enjoy your gaming.